On today's menu, a recipe so delicious, it'll make you want to dance. Tomatillo Salsa Verde. Lehoma everyone, I'm Yeung. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you haven't checked out my vegan ramen cookbook, you can do so in the link above or a link in the description box below. Now, tomatillos. You've always seen these around and you're not sure what to do with them? Well, this is a super easy recipe that you can make today. Before you do anything, you just need to peel that outer layer of the tomatillos. Just grab the stem and just easily peels off. Roughly 1 pound of tomatillos. Score the tomatillos to prevent them from bursting in the oven. Place the tomatillos on a baking sheet. Now these are poblano peppers and jalapeños. Adds a little bit of spice by keeping it really green. Remove the seeds, cut them in half, and place them on the baking sheet. Broil in the oven on low for 5 to 6 minutes or until your desired char. 1 large shallot and 2 pieces of garlic. That amazing char is just irreplaceable. Blender. Shallots and garlic. 1 cup roughly chopped cilantro. Half tablespoon pink salt. Tomatillos and peppers. A splash of fresh lime juice. Blend on medium. Plate. You can now make this incredible dip with absolute confidence. As a bonus recipe, mix this with some avocado and your life will never be the same. Now this here is the good stuff. Just incredible. Remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.